Ever experienced that feeling of being out of place, like your soul is tuned to something beyond this physical realm? Well, according to Dolores Cannon, a trailblazer in past life regression and hypnotherapy, that sensation might hold more weight than you think. She suggests it could be a hint of a profound truth about your very existence. Picture this: what if your core essence isn't rooted in this earthly realm, but rather originates from the celestial domains? Dolores Cannon's groundbreaking work, spanning nearly 5 decades, has brought to light incredible insights into the human psyche, reincarnation, and our cosmic origins. Through her journey into the depths of the subconscious mind, Dolores uncovered a fascinating possibility. Some individuals walking the earth today might actually be angels incarnate. These beings are pure embodiments of light and love, who willingly took on the human experience to serve as guides, healers, and uplifters of humanity. These revelations stem from Dolores' sessions with clients, where she utilized the quantum healing hypnosis technique, QHHT, to delve into the subconscious. Through QHHT, she navigated past lives, communed with higher selves, and even encountered non-physical beings, who shared profound messages of wisdom and encouragement. So, that feeling of not quite fitting in? It could very well be a whisper from your celestial origins, nudging you towards a deeper understanding of your purpose in this vast cosmic tapestry. So, what exactly does it entail to be an angel wrapped in human form, and how can you tell if you're one of them? Dolores Cannon's deep dive into the metaphysical realm has given us some clues. First off, let's talk about the signs. These aren't just random occurrences, they're like breadcrumbs left along the path of your soul's journey through the cosmos. If you've been feeling a strong sense of purpose coursing through your veins or noticing synchronicities that seem to guide your every step, these could be more than mere coincidences. They might just be hints of your celestial origins nudging you along. As we embark on this journey of exploration together, keep your heart wide open and your mind hungry for knowledge. The universe is vast and brimming with mysteries, and the idea of being more than just a mere mortal is a tantalizing concept that Dolores Cannon has brought to light. Whether you're on a quest for enlightenment regarding your spiritual journey or simply intrigued by the signs that could unveil your angelic nature, you're in for a captivating ride. Let's delve into Dolores Cannon's teachings, unveiling the 7 signs that might indicate you're an angel navigating this human experience. First up, let's talk about that unshakable sense of purpose. It's one of the most telling signs that you might be an angel donning a human suit. This goes beyond your typical goals or aspirations. It's a deep-rooted conviction that drives you towards healing, teaching, or lending a helping hand wherever you go. Dolores Cannon's QHHT sessions unveiled that these individuals often possess an intuitive grasp of their purpose from a tender age. They're fueled by an unwavering empathy for others, and their mission is to alleviate suffering and spread love wherever their journey takes them. Here's another sign to ponder. If you're constantly seeking ways to lend a hand and feel a pang of discontent when you can't, it could be a hint of your celestial roots. Angels wrapped in human flesh often have a profound bond with the natural world. Dolores Cannon uncovered that many of her clients who exhibited other signs of being celestial beings also harbored a deep love and reverence for Mother Earth. They find solace and rejuvenation in natural settings, feeling a profound sense of peace and belonging amidst the beauty of the earth. It's more than just appreciation, it's an integral part of who they are. They grasp the interconnectedness of all life and feel a duty to care for the planet. So, if you find yourself spiritually linked to the natural world and deeply moved by environmental issues, it could be a reflection of your angelic essence. Now, let's talk synchronicities. Those moments of meaningful coincidence where the universe seems to be nudging you in a certain direction? Yeah, those are like bread crumbs on your celestial journey. Dolores Cannon proposed that these synchronicities aren't haphazard but rather orchestrated by your higher self to guide you along your path. They can come in the form of recurring numbers, serendipitous encounters, or events that feel too perfectly aligned with your thoughts or questions to be brushed off as mere chance. So, pay attention to those signs. They might just be the universe whispering secrets about your angelic nature. Synchronicities act as guiding lights for angels in human form, affirming they're on the right path or gently nudging them toward a new direction. If your life seems to be peppered with these meaningful coincidences, it could very well be your higher self whispering guidance, steering you towards your purpose. As we press on in our exploration of the signs that could signify you're an angel wearing a human guise, keep in mind that these experiences are deeply personal. What matters most is how they resonate within you. So, stay tuned for more insights into the remaining signs as we dive deeper into Dolores Cannon's wisdom. Now, let's talk about universal love. Angels incarnate embody an inherent understanding and expression of love that transcends the human notions of affection or attachment. This profound love extends not only to fellow humans but to all creatures and the earth itself. Dolores Cannon's research unveiled that such individuals possess a natural knack for healing, comforting, and uplifting those around them, often unaware of the extent of their impact. This universal love is marked by non-judgmental, unconditional acceptance, seeing beyond the surface to the depths of the soul. If you find yourself propelled by a love that seeks to serve and forge deep connections without expecting anything in return, it could very well be a sign of your angelic nature. Next up, let's discuss intuition and psychic abilities. Many angels in human form boast heightened intuition or psychic gifts, enabling them to perceive beyond the confines of the physical realm. Dolores Cannon unearthed that these individuals can sense energies, foresee events, or even communicate with entities beyond the veil. Their natural vibration aligns with higher frequencies, granting them access to insights and information that elude others. So, if you've always felt you possess a sixth sense or have encountered psychic phenomena like clairvoyance, clairsentience, or telepathy, it might just be a glimpse of your celestial origins unfolding. These abilities aren't just happenstance. They're tools meant to guide both you and others on the spiritual journey towards enlightenment and healing. Now, let's talk about feeling like you don't quite fit in. It's a common thread among angels wrapped in human form. Dolores Cannon's subjects often expressed a pervasive sense of not belonging to this world, as if they were outsiders peering in. It's not about feeling superior, it's about a deep-seated knowing that their origins extend beyond the earthly realm. Despite fully engaging in human life, they carry a longing for their true home among the stars or in other dimensions. This feeling of alienation can sometimes lead to bouts of loneliness, but it's also accompanied by a profound understanding that they're here for a significant purpose. So, if you've always felt like a square peg in a round hole and harbor an unexplainable yearning for a home you can't quite pinpoint, it might just be a sign of your angelic heritage. Now, let's touch on an unexplainable draw to assist with Earth's transition. Many angels in human form feel a magnetic pull to contribute to the planet's evolution towards a higher state of consciousness. Dolores Cannon spoke of a monumental shift, a vibrational leap towards a new Earth, and these angels are here to facilitate this transformation. They're the trailblazers, the healers, the lightworkers, often found championing spiritual practices, environmental causes, or movements towards social justice. If you feel a deep inner calling to aid in Earth's awakening and healing, to sprinkle light and love wherever you go, it could very well be a reflection of your mission as an angel in human form. These signs, as illuminated by the profound insights of Dolores Cannon, offer a glimpse into the existence of angels among us. If you find resonance with these experiences, it might be an invitation to delve deeper into your spiritual journey, embracing your role in humanity's evolution. Remember, being an angel in human form isn't about elevating oneself above others. It's about recognizing your unique gifts and using them to uplift and steer the world towards a higher vibration of love and understanding. Now, armed with this newfound understanding of your angelic nature, it's time to take action. Dolores Cannon's work, particularly through quantum healing hypnosis technique, QHHT, has unveiled the presence of angels among us, beings of light incarnated in human form to aid in the planet's transition and healing. These individuals are marked by an unshakable sense of purpose, a deep connection to the natural world, experiences of synchronicities, an innate understanding of universal love, heightened intuition, feelings of not belonging, and a compelling urge to assist with Earth's transformation. These signs aren't mere coincidences. They're reflections of a profound truth about your existence at the soul level. So, let's embark on this journey of embracing your angelic nature and making a tangible difference in the world. Embracing these aspects of yourself can indeed be a powerful step towards living a life aligned with your highest potential and contributing to the healing and elevation of collective consciousness. If you recognize yourself in the signs described, understand that your presence on this planet at this precise moment is no mere accident. You're here to embody and radiate light, guiding others through your example of unconditional love and compassion. Your role in this collective journey towards a new earth, one pulsating with love, peace, and harmony, is crucial. So, never underestimate the power of your actions, no matter how small they may seem. Each act of kindness, every moment of self-discovery, and all efforts to connect and heal are like ripples in the vast ocean of change. You are a beacon of light for those who feel lost in darkness, a source of comfort and guidance. Taking action starts with embracing your unique gifts and abilities. If you haven't already, explore ways to develop your intuition, engage in healing practices, or deepen your connection with nature. Seek out communities and spaces that resonate with your vibration, where you can share your experiences and learn from others on similar paths. Remember, the journey of an angel in human form isn't always smooth sailing. It's filled with challenges that serve as opportunities for growth, lessons to deepen your compassion, and experiences that fortify your resolve. Trust in your path and know that you're supported by the universe, your spirit guides, and the collective of light beings dedicated to Earth's ascension. As you continue to walk this path, keep your heart open and your intentions pure. The world needs your light now more than ever. Shine brightly, love deeply, and move forward with courage. Your angelic nature is a gift to this world, one that has the power to transform, heal, and inspire. Living as an angel in a human body comes with its own set of challenges and blessings. While Dolores Cannon's insights into the spiritual journey provide a foundation, navigating this truth in everyday life requires practical wisdom and a deep connection to your inner guidance. Here are some ways to navigate your path with grace and purpose. 1. Mindfulness and meditation. Regular meditation can help you maintain a clear connection with your higher self and the universal consciousness. It allows you to stay centered, grounded, and aligned with your purpose. Mindfulness practices help you remain present, transforming everyday tasks into acts of love and service. 2. Energy work and healing. Engaging in energy work such as Reiki, yoga, or Qigong can help you balance your energies, clear blockages, and enhance your natural healing abilities. These practices support your physical vessel, ensuring that it is a strong and vibrant container for your light. 3. Community and connection. Finding a community of like-minded souls can provide support and encouragement on your journey. Whether it's through spiritual groups, online communities, or gatherings focused on healing and ascension, connecting with others who share your mission can amplify your light and impact. 4. Creative expression. Utilize your creativity as a tool for healing, expression, and manifestation. Whether through art, music, writing, or any other form of creative expression, allow your unique talents to shine and contribute to the greater good. By incorporating these practices into your life, you can navigate the path of living as an angel in a human body with grace, purpose, and profound impact. Indeed, creative activities such as art, music, writing, or dance can serve as powerful channels for higher energies, allowing you to bring your inner visions to life and inspiring others along the way. As an angel in human form, environmental stewardship is a vital aspect of your mission. Simple actions like reducing waste, supporting sustainable practices, and connecting with nature can have a profound impact on the planet's vibrational shift. Navigating the challenges of being an angel on Earth isn't always easy. You may encounter misunderstanding, loneliness, or the struggle of balancing your spiritual mission with the demands of human life. Here are some tips for navigating these challenges. 1. Stay true to your path. Remain committed to your purpose, even in the face of skepticism or adversity. Trust that your mission is guided by divine love and that you are always supported by the universe. 2. Embrace your uniqueness. Instead of seeing your differences as barriers, view them as gifts. Your unique perspective and abilities allow you to fulfill your role as a healer and guide for humanity. 3. Seek solitude when needed. Take time for solitude to recharge and connect with your celestial origins. Use these moments of quiet to listen to your inner guidance and rejuvenate your spirit. 4. Keep learning and growing. Your journey as an angel in human form is a continuous process of learning and evolution. Stay open to new teachings, experiences, and perspectives that deepen your understanding and enhance your abilities. 5. Spread love and light in all interactions. Aim to embody the qualities of unconditional love, compassion, and kindness. Your energy and presence can uplift those around you, planting seeds of positivity and transformation. In conclusion, living as an angel in a human body is both a profound honor and responsibility. By embracing your celestial nature and navigating the human experience with grace, you contribute to the awakening and healing of the planet. Remember, you are never alone in this journey. The universe and a multitude of light beings support you every step of the way. Celebrate your courage and dedication to serving the greater good, and may your path be illuminated with love as you shine brightly as a beacon of hope and transformation for all.